Hi Gauri. So I think there is an issue on the task display settings, and this issue Sanjog communicated with me. He had noticed while doing some random testing. So issue was basically if we select the options under the task display settings and save this, we are getting all the selected options for each task. And if I mess with this, you can see in the background all the options are getting deselected, and if I just close it, it will remain like this, though they appear again on refresh. But when we without save and close, it should not get updated. It should behave similarly the way it is behaving while selecting these options. Yeah, if you are not already reported this, please report it. Thank you.